Hey guys, it's your girl Stephanie and I'm back with another hair tutorial. As you see, I'm using Rastafri's Freed'm Silky Braid to create what I'm calling Wakanda braids. So I'm going to be using the rubber band method to create my box braids. So I have my hair already sectioned off, and I also have the hair in the front of my head twisted to the side for some braids I'm going to do in the front. I'm creating larger box braids, so I'm going to take a large section of the braiding hair to use, and I'm going to go ahead and feather the ends by pulling strands of the hair down so that the ends aren't blunt. So I like to use the rubber band method for my box braids because it allows me to get a tighter grip of the roots of my hair so that the braid doesn't slip out. And I'm using the shiny rubber bands, not the dull black rubber bands, because those can cause breakage. And although the rubber bands that I'm using, the shinier ones, they do pop easier, but that's fine. I mean, I'd rather the rubber bands pop than my hair strands pop. You know what I'm saying? So on this braid here, you can see how the rubber band popped while I was braiding the hair. But once again, that is okay with me because I already have a good grip, so there's no need to take the braid down. I can just let the rubber band stay in there until I'm finished braiding and pull the rubber band out. So this hairstyle is super easy and quick to create. I did about 20 box braids in the back of my head, and then I'm going to do 4 feed-in braids in the front. And these are all of the braids that I have in the back. They're pretty long, they go down to my waist. For the front of my head, I'm doing 2 feed-in braids on each side. I'm just putting a little bit of gel on my hair, and then I'm going to go in and braid it. I don't really know how to explain how to do feed-in braids because I'm still kind of figuring that technique out myself. But what I'm doing is I'm just taking very small strands of hair and I'm placing it over my braid as I'm braiding the braid down. I added some beads to the end of the braids, and I also added some hair jewels to the feed-in braids. And now I'm creating my crown by doing some bantu knots with the braids and pinning it down. And ladies and gentlemen, this is the final look. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, go ahead and leave that in the comments below. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, and I will see you in the next one.